this is going to be my next big purchase. Gotta leave my purses alone. Okay, so this is freaking gorgeous. And I can't open it. Oh. My little freezer. Wow. Oh, yay. It's gas. And this, oh, that's heavy. Oh my God.